welcome back to the Luxy YouTube channel. This time I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve these beautiful two-soled waves. So if you guys are as excited as I am and you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is spray some heat protecting spray. I'm just going to spray it all over my hair. So since we are going to be using a curling iron today, I do want to protect my hair. So the second step for producing these like really beautiful two-soled waves is using a wand or a curling iron. You can also use a flat iron, but I find for my type of hair, I usually prefer using a wand. So I'm going to be using this one right here. This is a 1.5 inch barreled wand. If I had longer hair, I would be using a larger barreled wand. But because my hair is short, as you guys can tell, I'm going to be using this one right here, and it's going to make all of the difference. Now the trick to having beautiful two-soled waves is that you don't want the waves to be too perfect. So you're going to go in different directions, and that's really going to make this look really, really messy, really, really two-soled, and it's exactly what we want to see. So I'm going to start by taking one section of my hair here, and it doesn't have to be too small of a section. You can actually grab a lot of hair. And then my first curl, I'm going to wrap my hair around underneath the wand, and then I'm gonna let go. That's the curl right there. So I'm gonna take the second section, and instead of wrapping it underneath, I'm gonna wrap it over the wand. And then when I let go, I'm gonna have this beautiful curl. And as you guys can see, because I'm going in different directions, it's really gonna give it that beautiful two-soled look. Another trick for having perfectly two-soled waves is that you don't want to hold the curl on the wand for too long. I find that if you hold it for too long, the curl's going to look way too perfect. So you really only want to hold it for 5 seconds or so like this. And that way it's not going to curl as much. It will curl enough. I'm just taking the final section of my hair. So once I'm done curling all of my hair, I'm going to go in with a texturizing spray, and I'm just going to spray it all over my hair. For any curly hair look, you want a lot of volume. The final step is that I'm going to take some hair oil and I'm going to apply it to the ends of my hair. Alright guys, so this is my finishing look. This is really like my go-to look, just because it's so easy to create. So as always, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to follow me at Anna Cruz. I'm going to leave it right down here. And as always, I will see you guys next time.